Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to go through Ethereum chart technical analysis. But before I start, I just want you to know that technical analysis is not heart surgery. It's very easy. You just need to understand the concept behind it. You need to practice and have enough screen time in order to identify screen patterns. Our focus today will be the price action and the volume profile. Before we start, I recommend you to have an idea about the option theory, understand the option, because the main discussion today is all about the option and market balance and imbalance. So I'll start first with my price action. First, I need to identify the main trend. We are working here on the daily chart. You can apply the same concept on lower time frames. First, I have to identify the main trends on the chart. So as you can see, I'll connect those tops. It will create a clean trend line here. Once I have a clean trend line with minimum 2 or 3 tops, I can copy that and work around it. So we have the downtrend here. If I copy this trend line to the bottom, the lower low, I will have my downtrend here. And now I need to identify the uptrend in order to find the balance in between both trends, up and down. So the uptrend from this bottom to this bottom, I can have a clean line here, extended, and here we go. Now I can see my price action clear. There's no need to draw 100 lines. You need just the major lines on your chart just to have an idea about the market structure. Next, this is the time where I have to identify the balance and imbalance in my chart. So the balance areas where the market tend to go, and the imbalance areas where the market tend to bounce off, reject, or go through quickly. So first, we'll turn on my volume for this chart here, and here we go. I'll start marking those so you can see the balance areas. First, I'll start identifying the balance areas. Here we are. Those two trend lines meeting at this point. That for me is a balance area. Next, another balance area. 3. The volume profile gives me an indication where the market like balance, where the people like prices. So we have the first balance on the volume profile here. The second, as you can see, here we have most of that transaction happening in this price. That's a balance. Another balance here. It's small, but that might help in future price action. And here we go. We have the main balance target where the market likes to go. Next, I will draw a line where I can easy find those lines. Here's a balance. Here's my second balance on the trend line. My third balance will go on the volume profile chart. Another balance here on the volume profile. And one more. So now if you want to flag those lines, make your life easier. 3. And here we are, the main balance areas for the market we're trading. Now it's time to identify the imbalance areas, and this is where the volume profile comes very handy and helpful. So where you can see, this is an area where the market tend to always reject or go through. It's a very low transaction here. That's a low option. And we have another area here, very low transactions. The market always tend to reject or cut through. And here is a low volume here. And another low volume here. So right now I'm setting all these levels on the volume profile. If you look at the chart, if you want to look how the market behaves against those areas, you can see the market is bouncing up, the market is rejecting, the market is going through. So usually market doesn't stay in those areas, it just jump. Now after we identify the balance and imbalance, it's time to create the scenario for the play on the chart. So we see the market broke, the market is fighting with this low area trying to go through. So two scenarios, the down scenario or the balance scenario, that the market will reject here the price, we tend to go down and we'll keep bouncing between those levels till we break. And once we break, you know that the market moves from balance to balance, and in our case here the balance at this area goes here and so on. The second scenario, that we will break this zone straight ahead, strong move, then the test, come down back again, test, let's do that again, up, test, stay in this area, this balance, reject, and up and break. So we can play this rule here in this zone or here in this zone. As you know, markets always reject prices on the low volume and seeks the balance areas. I hope that was helpful. This needs practice. It's not hard, anyone can do it. Just need practice and screen time. You can apply it on any chart, any time frame, stocks, cryptocurrencies, commodities, anything. The concept is easy. What I went through today is mainly for beginners. There is a deeper and more advanced analysis, but this to give you an idea if you're new to chart and the trading market. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time.